Hold on, I gotta watch this. There's no fucking way this kid ate a scorpion. Speed eats. No way. Speed. Yo.
Alright, man.
He called the cops? Yeah, I'm sure that was real.
I will be eating a black scorpion.
What the fuck?
That is venomous.
My boy Ty, bro, thanks for the 10 get that. I appreciate you. That was in the chat.
Sold only in Pakistan.
Is it alive or dead, chat?
This is sold only in Pakistan. A black scorpion. These things are only sold in Pakistan. Let's get right. Let me open it. And if I die, I die, bro.
Venomous.
Let's get right.
Dude, this is disgusting, bro.
I got this literally illegally smugged from Pakistan, dog. Who in Pakistan? Yo, chat, who lives in Pakistan and seen these before, bro? Everybody just pray for me, y'all. Everybody pray for me.
This dude is insane, bro. I love Speed. I don't give a fuck what anyone says, bro. This is the most entertaining motherfucker. I don't care, bro. How does somebody think to just eat a scorpion on fucking stream?
Shit. It's not opening, bro. It's not opening.
Alright, bro. Open it. Ew!
Holy shit. God! Damn! I don't even...
Yo! Wait, so are there actually such things as poisonous scorpions? What? Could he eat it and die?
Oh, shit.
Alright, ew, dude.
Yup, Chad, this is the venomous one, bro. This is it. Oh, bro, this shit's... Oh, my days, this shit stinks, bro. Alright, y'all ready, bro? Black scorpion, bro.
Yo, that thing is so scary looking, bro. Oh my days.
I can die from this, bro. This is real, y'all. Real scorpion. Take a good look at it. Take a good look. This is real, y'all.
Ew. Is that a baby crying? Wait, Speed is a baby?
Good look. Focus on it. Focus on it.
Ew.
Yo, tell, which part should I eat, y'all? Oh, fuck it. Which part should I eat?
Ew, chat. Ew.
Scorpion, chat. 10% the eat. Hold on, wait, y'all. Okay.
What the you're eating a banana. Out of all things, chat, to fucking chase it with.
Let me eat this banana real quick.
Yes, eat the banana, Speed.
Let's go.
Bro, chat, stop being weird.
Ready?
Bro. What do you mean by that? Bro, shut the fuck up, bro. Ew, dude. Just shut. Speed.
Scorpion. Dying. Black venomous scorpion. I can die, bro. 10% chance of dying. 3, 2.
Oh, what a crunch! Ah! Ew, dude. No, bro, that's really, really disgusting, chat. I actually feel like gagging. No, bro. Dude, no, that's disgusting. What the fuck? Speed. Ew, swallow it, bro. That's disgusting, dude. Ew, dude. Ew. Stop saying L actor. It's disgusting, bro. If y'all ate a dead scorpion, you're all gonna fucking freak out. The crunch is nasty. Okay. Dude.
Oh, God.
It's not a... How is it a script? Explain how it's scripted, chat. Explain how this dumb motherfucker scripted that. He knew what he was doing. No, he did not know what he was doing, but how is it acting? Explain.
Why did I do that? I just ate a scorpion, bro. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. I just ate a scorpion. I'm about to die, bro. It's venomous.
Venomous.
Oh, bro. Fuck, I'm about to die, bro. Fuck, I'm about to die.
Ew, dude.
I'm about to die.
Bro, close your fucking mouth, bro. Chat, my biggest pet peeve is people that chew with their mouth open and shit. It's disgusting. Alright, bro. Okay, now I see what you guys are saying. L script speed. No, I'm kidding. Bro, come on, bro. Ew, clean your lips, speed.
I need to call the police, dead ass.
Alright. Does he actually call the cops?
Oh my God, answer the phone!
Yeah, that is not 911. Speed.
What is the address of the emergency?
Okay, that's action 911, bro. That is action 911, chat. That is legit 911.
Ma'am, I just ate a scorpion. I just ate this scorpion. I just want to know if I'm okay or not.
Okay, where are you?
No, calm down. I ate a scorpion. I'm okay, calm down.
Yo.
I ate a scorpion. A dead scorpion.
Okay, I'm not a medical professional. I can't tell you that. I have to send somebody to you. So
No, I'm scared. No. I think I'm okay. I just want to know if I'm okay. I don't want to send nobody out here to see if I'm okay and I'm really not okay. I just ate a scorpion. I just want a dead scorpion from, it's called a black scorpion. I just want to know if I'm okay or not.
I can't tell you that. I'm not a medical professional.
All right, thank you. Okay, okay, bye. I love you. No. It's okay.
What the fuck?
All right, bye. I love you. Bye. Fuck, I'm okay, bro. I need to call a veterinarian. Fuck.
Saying I love you to 911 is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. Chat, I'm just gonna want chat hate on speed. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up. He's a goat.
Fuck.
Oh
bro.
God, he's a W, chat. L script, no it's not, it's fun. Speed.
Good afternoon. Thank you for calling VC of the Cook Animal Hospital. This is Victoria.
Yo, why are you calling a vet?
Ma'am? Hello?
Sorry?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I just ate a black scorpion. Am I okay?
Can you get in trouble for calling 911 though or not?
I'm sorry?
I just ate a black scorpion. Am I okay?
Hang on just a moment. Let me... Are you a current client here?
Yes. I just want to know. I just ate a... Ma'am, so I got this, like, this package of... It's called a black scorpion.
Yo, speed is insane.
Yeah, I just got this. Yeah, it's called a black scorpion. It was dead. And I ate it. I just want to know if I'm okay.
hang on just a moment, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
The need when they need it with the Care Club personalized care plan. Your made-for-real-life plan is built for your pet, including unlimited exams, recommended vaccines, and age-appropriate diagnostics, plus add-on services like spay-neuter and dental cleaning, all for one convenient monthly fee. Ask us how to join today.
Let's do this.
Yes, Bert.
What are you in?
I'm in Ohio.
And there was a scorpion in what kind of a box?
It was like, I don't know, like this. It was in this sealed thing. Sealed.
Yeah, I don't know what to make of this, and I'm not really sure what the risk is, but certainly there sounds like there's probably some risk to you. So I would recommend you get into the emergency room.
Am I gonna die?
I don't know. I'm having a hard time believing this
Yo!
is a real.
I'm serious, ma'am. I promise you, wallahi. I swear to God, I'm serious.
Okay. Well, I don't know. You know, in Ohio, what kind of scorpion you would encounter? What kind of a box was it in?
A gray box. It's not a box. You know what a seal, like a, I don't know what it's called. It's called a seal. It's like a sealed paper.
Bro,
sealed with like. Then the scorpion was in this little, what is this called? I don't even know what this. It's like a. What is this called? Man, what is this called?
A plastic
Are you asking
bag?
me? 'Cause, I mean, I'm not there. I can't see it certainly. Are you having any symptoms?
Like, I mean, like my head is my head's rushing. Like, you know what a head buster is? I feel that, you know, like, and that's. I just feel anxious. Like, I don't know if it's a Pepsi effect or.
So how long ago did you eat the scorpion?
About 5 minutes ago.
5 minutes ago. When was it alive?
Why haven't you slid for speed? It's been 373 days and counting. Bro, shut the fuck up, bro.
No, it was dead.
Bro.
Okay. All right. How old are you?
Yo!
Okay. Do you have any medical problems we should think about?
No.
Okay. All right. So, you know, I'm not sure if the scorpion that you had there was a venomous scorpion or not, and I'm not sure with, you know, having ingested it versus having been bitten, what the risk to
Yeah, he
you
said
might
19,
be
relax.
from its venom. But, you know, some of the symptoms that we can see could include things like a headache or, you know,
Yes,
which would be
yes.
related to
Like, I have a
increased
minor
blood
headache right
pressure.
now.
So if you're having symptoms after this, again, I would recommend that you be seen in an emergency room.
I'm about to die. You know I'm about to die.
Okay, you need to just call 911. What's your phone number there, and I'll see what I can do.
What the fuck is happening to me, bro? And I know I hate the.
Can I have your phone number, please?
My number, why?
Yeah, so we can follow up on you and see how things go.
513.
Bro.
No. Yeah, 513-972-0291.
Yo.
And what's your name?
Nah.
My name's Quandale.
What's your last name, Quandell?
Dingle.
Bro.
Dingo?
This kid's insane, Chad.
Dingle.
This kid's actually insane,
Dingle.
bro. And he just...
Okay.
Speedy just gave a random phone number to, like, thousands of people. Nah, bro, like, I ain't gonna lie. He's actually hilarious, bro. Like, he's just so stupid. Like...
All right, well, I'm not sure what to expect with this. I'm going to recommend...
Speedy
You
is a snake.
got your baited. You got your baited. You got your baited. 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 Baited.
And you guys spam Jew baited. You're so funny, oh my god.
Because you're having symptoms, that you call 911, okay? And then we'll have to figure that out once you get to the emergency room. The emergency room can consult with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please go ahead and call 911 and get into the emergency room if you really just ate a scorpion.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.
No way you
Alright.
call him back.
Okay,
Do not
sure.
tell me you
Bye-bye.
call him back. There's no way he calls them back. Does he call 911 back, chat?
And what's your emergency?
Sir, I just ate a scorpion. Am I okay or not?
What kind of scorpion did you eat, sir?
A black scorpion.
All right, Speed. What are we on fucking Pornhub?
A black scorpion, sir?
Yes.
Sir. Sir, this is very bad.
Nah, bro.
Sir, you have 1 hour to live, sir.
Yo, all right.
Sir, we need you to. Sir, did you call the medical? Sir, are you okay? Are you there?
Bro.
Sir, you have 1 hour to live.
It's so ass. It's just so funny that it's so ass. Maybe I should start doing these scripts. I mean, you guys are a little bit too old. Like, how old are you guys in the chat? I know it's mad late. All the little shits are sleeping. Like, see, like, you guys are too old. I don't know. Like, there's people that actually believe this, you know what I mean, in this chat. So it's kind of hard. Most of you guys are literally, like, grown, but...
Sir, are you there? Got that nigga. Got his ass. Got that nigga. That nigga got 1 hour to live. Sir, are you okay?
What the fuck, bro?
Sir, I can steps.
What?
So you're gonna take lotion?
Okay.
Sir, you have to do it quickly, sir.
Why does he have lotion in his room,
Okay.
chat?
You have to take lotion?
Yes.
Do you have water? Do you have water around you?
Yes.
Sir, you have to take the water and the lotion, and you have to mix it together.
Okay.
And you have to drink it.
Bro, you're not gonna drink Vaseline.
It's the
bro.
only way it can save you.
Chat, there's no way he drinks Vaseline, bro.
I'm doing it.
All right, really? Ew, bro.
I did it.
But that is like...
I'm okay?
Bro, that is...
Did you do it?
Yes.
Did you do it?
Yes.
All right, bro.
How are you feeling?
I don't know.
Sir, did you drink it? You have to swallow it, sir.
I did.
How did it taste? How's the texture?
I'm okay.
How was the texture? Like, tell me.
I'm calling. I can't call this fucking bitch.
Speed.
What the fuck did I just eat? Headache, bro. That's me. Like that.
Speed and misuse.
www.
Oh, okay, it's not real. Anyway.
All right, man.
All right, what we on now, chat? What we on now? What we on now, chat? What we on now? What we on now, chat? What we on now? Hey, COD, let's do it. What's the program called? DS3. DS. What the fuck did I just download?